ready for a short ride up to Harbor Freight. Give me some tools and shit. Friday night, kind of bored, nothing really to do. Go out on a night ride real quick, do something to eat afterwards. Call it a night. Went to a baseball game yesterday, so that was pretty cool. Bridgeport Bluefish, like a minor league team up here. $5, box seats. Personality. It's starting to get cooler a little bit, especially at night, so definitely gotta wear the jacket. Hopefully I have another 2 months in the riding season, but we'll see. It's already September 12th, so last year I held up my bike on November 15th, so I didn't start doing the wintry stuff until later in the year, so it had like a little October storm, but other than that then it got warmer again, so hopefully I can keep riding a little longer and call my first year a relative success. Tapping against wood, I haven't fell off or anything. I have a lot of work to do still, especially on my lean angles. I'm not trying to be a street Rossi and put my knee down, especially on a scooter, but I do want to kind of get my leans a little bit better. Hopefully at some point next week I'll have my EL wire, which is an electroluminescent wire. I bought it off of eBay, less than $10. Attach it to my helmet, kind of make a little nighttime helmet thingy. Look, roll and press. My nose. my rear brake.